Hey guys, CJ here. Today we have the Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner Machine. And this one's pretty much for pets. And it has a spot chaser wand to it so you can kind of pre-wash or pre-treat your stains before you do it. But this Hoover is pretty legit. It's got your main water compartment, you have your dirty water that goes there, and then you have your wand up top. We are a very big fan of this. We were going to get our carpets cleaned by a company, and then for the price we were going to pay, might as well just buy your own carpet cleaner, and then you can do it whenever you want. This carpet cleaner is automatic, so when you push forward, it does the washing side of it, and then when you start pulling it back, it switches over automatically, and it starts drying your carpet automatically, which is awesome. It totally alleviates the amount of time it takes to dry your carpet afterwards, because it's just doing it as you clean, which is fantastic. Like I said, this one has the stain remover wand, so you simply just pull it out. It has its own canister that you fill up with the premix formula. You spot spray before you want to clean the carpet if you have a targeted area, and it works very well. This is the pet one, so this is designed for like pet stains and odors. We have 2 labs, so you can only imagine our carpet does get stinky when they're running around outside and they come in and out, and we just use this today. As you can see, the carpet is a little bit dirty, and this is like the 3rd time we've done it, so we've been just really hammering it. It's kind of gross. Yeah, I know, I totally agree, but it just shows this does a deep clean. And we're a very big fan. This is in our bedroom, where the accident unfortunately happened in our bathroom, but it's been killing it in a good way, I should say. It's got a pet tool to it, so it kind of has like a wand. I didn't show it here, but you can do your stairs super easy. And yeah, the automatic cleaning system to it is pretty awesome. So yeah, this is a great deep cleaning carpet. Sorry, I was losing my words for a second. It's great. We like it a lot. We are using this all the time. We are doing all of our carpets with this thing. We were very happy with it. So I hope this video helped, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Really getting into this. Really getting into this.
Am I in it? Am I in it, right? I'm in it, right? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. We're gonna do the stairs tomorrow. We're gonna do the stairs tomorrow.
Joke's on you. Joke's on you. Joke's on you.
Joke's on fucking you. Joke's on fucking you. Are you gonna talk about it? Are you gonna talk about it?
So this is like the actual cleaning solution, and then this is the pre-treatment. That has a little battery. To it. You have to replace. And then. Okay, here comes all.
Ooh, filthy.
Hi, Bookie. There's more things you can show.
What?